Not knowing is a beautiful thing. What do I mean by that? Well, why I say not knowing an answer or saying I don't know or being in the space of unknown and indecision is that you're not fixated to one outcome, to one way of life. You're actually extremely open. So, not knowing is a beautiful gift. It's an incredible space to be. And I know a lot of you are probably in this place of like, I don't know what to do. Like, I just don't know. Like, you're exhausted from just thinking about decisions all the time. And is this the wrong decision? Am I making a mistake? It's really cool to be in a place of just saying, I don't know. Because we are in a world that is trying to force you to feel like you have to know everything and be an expert about everything. I feel it. I still feel it. Like posting on Instagram, in these podcasts, I still feel like I have to have everything figured out. You don't. Newsflash, you don't have to have everything figured out. We never do. And people like social media, the news, leaders of all sorts are pretending like we know all of the answers. Me too, I'm included. Like we are pretending that we know the right thing to do, but we don't. Like we're always figuring it out and we always don't know like everything in absolutes. So when you are in the space of creation, when you're living in the unknown, when you are living in the question and admitting that I don't know this, you are extremely open to any possibility, to any new way of life, to learn something new. You are open and expansive and free and loving. When you come into something and you say, this is the right way, this is the only way we should be doing things. Nope, I know the answer. Everyone else sucks. Everyone else is wrong. You are extremely closed off. And that's not loving. That's living in fear. And you're not going to learn anything that way. And you're not going to probably have the expansive and full human experience that you can be having. So I want to tell you this because not knowing is beautiful. Because you can learn a lot more. You're going to be guided by God and the universe, by your higher power, by yourself, because that's technically what that's all connected to you. So not knowing can be incredibly empowering, and you can be in power while not knowing. It's trusting yourself, even in the unknown, that you're being guided. So I want to leave you with that message today, to remain open, and that if you are in the unknown and you don't know, that's a beautiful space to be. And I encourage you to reframe that instead of, I don't know anything, I suck, I'm not smart enough, I'm not this enough. That it's actually really cool to be in the spot where you are because you're learning so much. And hopefully you can always be learning so much and be open to new perspectives and possibilities instead of closing yourself off. I love you so much. I believe in you.